Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. As you can see, here we have a nested list, and here we have created another variable which is having the data of the first list. And here we have modified the list, and then we are printing data. So the correct output of this code is 99, 2, 3, and 4 in nested list. But if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So as you know, this creates a shallow copy. So when you modified this, then this might not have affected this. But that's not the case. In case of nested list, a newer outer list is created for nested list. It only copies the reference of the inner list. Therefore, when changes are made here, then it is also reflected in the original list as well, which would not be the case with the normal list. But in the case of nested list, it does get modified. Well, this is not the end. Here are some more amazing Python tricks like these. And if you want to check your coding knowledge, then you can try solving these coding puzzles. And if you don't want to miss the upcoming videos, then don't forget to subscribe.